Guys, welcome back to another great video. Before me even start the video, I have something to address pertaining to Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. If you guys are following me on the Instagram page, you guys will see what's going on. The Instagram page has been hacked, so persons are pretending to be Caribbean Vibes, inboxing persons, asking them to send their cash app, the PayPal information. No, Caribbean Vibes, we are not a part of any trading company. We do not affiliate ourselves with any marketing online company that solicitates from persons. So guys, just please be aware of these unscrupulous things that persons are doing. So if you are following the Instagram page, please be aware, and I'm asking you guys to also report the Instagram page so Instagram can take down the Instagram page. So I am going to do some chicken back with ackee, carrot dumpling. So that's how I look forward to the vlog. So I have the chicken back and I have the ackee. So the chicken back in some water because you have ice in it. So I tie it out and then clean it up. And I also have the ackee right here, the carrot. And some chicken back with ackee. So I'm going to cut up the chicken back, clean it up and then fry it up. And then after that, add in the rest of ingredients in it. So the ackee would be the last thing. The ackee would be the last thing adding in it. Because basically I go pick out the ackee, scald off the ackee for a little bit. Now I'm gonna make it too overcooked. And once so people, we just have to just be careful out there when it come on to information that people been putting out, you know. And it's crazy how Caribbean Vibes, how we work for the content to establish yourself when you come on to the content, and then person just want to hack in at the Instagram page and just want to do foolishness. So guys, just be careful out there. Now clean up the meat. Put them on the cutting board. So by the time I done clean up this chicken back, I'm more fat and skin more than meat. So I am in the process of cutting up the meats. I'm not cutting them too little. Gonna add some vinegar. Wash them off. Yes, people. Another one again. And since the Instagram page been hacked, like you really get to me away, you know. But just know so that's how it goes. Whenever time we're trying and putting out our best, there's always someone who try to break our mood. But the Instagram page, they hack it. That can't stop me from doing my love. Squeeze off the water. season it now. Add in onion, some scallion. And my real Jamaican people them can relate to this type of food. Chicken back with the ackee, right Rogers?
Right. Yeah, man, real Jamaican cooking.
Yeah, man. And every day we're gonna do curry, goat or beef or stuff like that. Sometimes just some simple pot. Just like other day with the stew chicken.
Yeah,
One pot meal.
good, you know, you
Yeah, man. Adding in the onion. Same with the scallion. So all of these seasoning herbs and spice I'm gonna eventually cook out. Just cutting them up as fine as possible. Season up the meat. Flavor. Adding in some thyme. This is how me cook. This is how me. And me personally, garlic and ginger are something I really love. Especially garlic. It's really healthy too. Help to build the system, so garlic is a thing I really love. Adding in the garlic, shred the piece of ginger, right? Alright, dog, I look for this. Hey! Afraid of camera, man. The dog a run. Yeah, ginger adding. Small portion of garlic powder. My second best spice, pimento seed. Crack them a little bit. Add a little meat season. A little chicken. All purpose. All purpose, this is a Maggi. Not too much. Some carrot dumpling. I first had carrot dumpling, Roger.
Yeah, man.
Alright, some carrot dumpling today. Chicken back on ackee. Done. I'm gonna leave it to marinate. As you know, so meat, whenever time of season, if it tastes, always have a good judgment when it come on to adding powdered season, because you don't really want the meat to too salt. I'll add some pepper and then leave it to marinate.
Travel feed me and I can choke them.
Not today, we are not for them.
This is a tatambrine soon already.
I'm on, so I pick out the ackee them. Man, now I use no whole heap of ackee today. So a little bit. So we have used 2 plastic forks to catch a fire. Trying to catch a fire how long now. Finally fire catch. Finally people, the fire up and running. Big up yourself DJ Alweezy. And shout out to DJ Alweezy on YouTube. And we have some collaboration with DJ Alweezy. And if you drop cooking videos, you know. And so we just wait for him to get back to me, you know. I want to big up yourself, my brother. Can't wait to do them collab. Adding some water in a pot, a bit of salt and some cooking oil. Scald out them ackee there. Yeah, wait for it to boil up, then add in the ackee them. I use 2 carrots. Carrot dumpling. So the carrot can grate up or it can be shredded fine. So, yeah, grate up. I'm gonna grate a sharp. Carrot dumpling. You know, carrot is really good and healthy. Yeah, I don't know what I'm to fire. Come like, you know, I'm blaze up to the be smoke. Water boil up, but I need it up then. You just want the water to just boil over them for 3 minutes. I want them to overcook.
So dumpling I need, I know.
Yeah, man. Carrot dumpling. In the flour. Oh, so much, man. Just a little pinch of salt.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. combine both the flour. I go to say combine the dumpling, combine the flour and the carrot together. Still a kneading. So then when it become dry, then we just drop a little bit of water to finish mixing out the dough. Almost done mix out. Oh, carrot dumpling. Done. This one. So next now, I'll fry up them chicken back there and cook them down, then I add in the ackee. Yeah. Throw them chicken back in there now. Help to make oil. Just like how my mother would have do it back in the days. So we make our own oil today. So we have a custom made chicken back oil today, people. Custom. Real Jamaican style, so we have to do the authentic way so that the chicken back skin and fat produce oil. Take all the extra seasoning, because with the seasoning on it, it's easy for the fat to burn and the meat. So let's check out about the extra. So that people amount of oil with the 2 little bit fat produce. Take out them. Once them are fried. Add in some more. No, I'm too fire today. No, I'm too fire today, people. Keep them a move away. Keep them a move because rain fall yesterday, so
Cool.
It's kind of cold. So go on now. Turn the meat. So finish. People if you see that vlog, yeah, that means they finished. Because right now I don't like how the time look like. Rain over really fast. If you get to see that vlog, yeah, that means they finished. Yeah man. Happy nice man. Make too much noise in our yard. Finish time now. So they go on like him and man in our place, what you set off here. Tastes good. Pot soon done. There's people we're not going with. I'm not going with people. Pot soon done. Add in some carrots. Irish. Also I'm going to add a little soy sauce with a little browning. Just to give it a little darker color because it's too white. So I'm going to add some fish and meat sauce in it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Choose the add it just to give the meat just a little bit more darker shades. Just a little bit of browning. So a little strong. Yeah, that's it. Looking good. Adding the rest of things then. I wait till the Irish and the carrot cook first. I'm gonna add some tomato, sweet pepper, onion and scallion. So many persons know bell pepper is sweet pepper in Jamaica. But the correct name for it is bell pepper, but in Jamaica we call it sweet pepper. I'm add in some. I give it another 2 minutes and then add in the ackee in it. Add in the ackee. Just give 1 minute. Man, bad food is today, people.
Caribbean vibes.
Bad food today. All the time stick out of it. Give it a minute. Yeah, minute gone. pot done.
So next pot on board.
Yeah.
They move quick rain.
Yeah. Then some water. Add a little bit of salt. The rain will fall. Shall move fast today. And when I want the rain come, people, and I'm not get the vlog. And so we have to move fast. So the dumpling left. Water boil up. So currently make the dumpling and add them in. Kill me, yo. Smoke kill me. Never easy, guys. Never easy putting in the work. You know? I see you come back again. Come here work hard. They create good content, and then people just want to go around and just hack my page, keep on at the foolishness. Dumpling them pretty, you know. The carrot dumpling them pretty.
Yeah, man.
Carrot turn up in them, man.
Good for your eyesight.
Yeah. Turn up in a dumpling. Yeah, almost finished. 2 more left to make. Only could eat dumpling. Yeah, finish. Oh, them done. Take him off now. So, yeah, I got taste the pot. One flour in a Caribbean boys plate.
Cameraman plate.
Yeah.
Real life. Bless up Caribbean. Look good.
Yes, not taste the pot now. That's why we don't want the whole heap yet. Guys, me not even go nowhere far. Right, that's why we have to go eat food. Yeah, man. Chicken back on ackee.
Best Jamaican food.
Dumpling hot. Dumpling hot. Hot, man. Kids them must be on holiday because I don't know how them are at school today. Guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, more video. If you want some of my carrot dumpling and chicken back and ackee, just drop in the comment section. I want me send on some phone. I want to out guys.